recommendation system for Amazon. Okay, so first the basics code of this one, correct? So I'm going I'm giving you overview only. Okay, so I mounted the drive. Then this is the data information. Okay, so we have done the basic cleaning and everything. Okay, and this is a product length. Okay, so let's suppose I have the Redmi Phone 10. Okay, so that the description is going on for the Redmi 10, like 5 GB RAM and everything, that Amazon is writing everything in that way. Okay, that is the product length is here of distribution. Then we have here the ratings. Okay, so let's suppose how many ratings are number of ratings given by the customers. Okay, so this graph is not good, don't put this graph. Okay, so maybe this graph you can use. You can see here is rating is starting from 1.4 and the maximum rating is on Amazon is 4.3 for only for the electronics. Okay, use the terms electronics. uh, then I use a clean numerical columns and set a data type, so that is done. Okay, I created the one column that is called the discount price and the actual price. Okay, so and you can see here we have some currency sign, so I remove that currency sign from the amount for the calculation basis. Okay, this is a unique rating I'm showing here. Then after that unique rating is here. Okay, so you can see here some data is not sorted, or some data is like nan values and get values is here. So I replace it. Okay, simply I replace with the blank and the other values. Okay, that is done. And okay, this is the data information. Correct number of rating we have 9481. Okay, so that is done. Number of rating equal to so I modified with the comma and that blank spaces are there. Okay, this is a normal just stuff. Okay, then we are checking the missing values, how many we have a missing values. Actual price we have a missing values, and the discount price we have missing values. Okay, because the amount is not available, so that's the reason I'm calculating, but nothing is available, so that's the reason showing the blank. So you can show that graph also. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, I'm checking the number of missing number of rating, uh, and where is the actual price is not available. Okay, so this is all the EDA part I have done here. Okay, and then I'm going here the discount price or discount value and discounting percentage. That is future sorry feature. I created two feature here. Okay, this is I'm checking the what is a discount value minimum one they given. Okay, you can see here HP laser jet. This is a printer, HP printer, and rating is 4.2, a number of rating and this, and discount price is this, and the discount value is maximum is here 88% maximum discount is given by the Amazon. Okay, so you can show that that is our finding, and that we have done here. Okay, and you can see the discount value minimum values, so where they given the minimum discount, so you can show the minimum discount also. Okay, so that will check is not showing correct, so that we will check why is not showing correct. Okay, that I will correct. Okay, then after that we have the manufacturer, so I created the one column as a manufacturer. Who's a manufacturer of that? Let's suppose we have a phone, we have the printers, we have the headphones, so everything is here. So proper popular manufacturer category is here: the gift card, boat, Amazon, and Samsung, Zebronics, Petronics, HP, Amazon Basics, and the SanDisk. Okay, this is all are the brands are available in the all electronics. It's a top brand. Okay, you can say. And then we have a top 10 manufacturer. This is there. Okay, so this is a top manufacturer, and this is a rating for the top manufacturers. So SanDisk have the rating is 4.337. Okay, you can show that. I found that the who is the biggest is a good rating on the Amazon. Okay, Zebronics don't have the good rating is 3.8, but it's a good brand. Okay, Amazon have a rating is 4.02, like a boat and everything. You can show that top 10 I showing the manufacturer who have the good ratings. Okay, then we have a price distribution. This graph is not look good, so don't add it because I need to create a bins here. I will create a bin, and then you can put this graph. Okay, so the price distribution of data means the price amount of that all electronics is going where to where. So let's suppose is going 20k to 160k maximum. So I will create some bins, and we will show that the in the bins. Okay, and this is a outlier for actual price. So you can see here the outlier is showing some maximum range of our products between 0 to 20k maximum one, and then is going 160k. So this is you can the outliers, because 160k is very high price for the any product. So normally people are not buying on the online. Okay, so we can limit between the 80k. 80k is fine, or you can limit on 60k. Okay, and then we have the rating distribution of for popular products. So you can see here this rating is showing like is rating starting from the basic rating the person has given from the 3 to 5. Maximum persons given a rating between to 4 to 4.5 is there. Okay, then this is a keyword extraction. This is for the keyword extraction. Why we are doing here? So in the recommendation system, like Amazon is a recommendation system, or any website, or any YouTube, if you're going, so their recommendation, how it will be work, it's work on the keywords. Okay, we are using the term streaming. So streaming is basically we're creating the vectors of the data. Let's suppose we have a one word. Okay, sorry, one paragraph. So we are doing the vectorization. Means we are splitting the text. Okay, and we are finding the main value. Let's suppose we have the boat. Okay, we have a Amazon. So Amazon have the different weight uh, in the streaming. Okay, in the main point, let's suppose we have a grammars is the and are. So that words have the vectorization, or the weight is like 0.5, 0.1. Okay, and if you're saying for the Amazon is a product. Okay, so that is the feature of the streaming that we are saying. This you can see is streaming the keywords means we are finding the weight of that word, and basis on that we are splitting the text. Okay, we are removing the grammar, and we are using the main keyword, main product, or main object, you can say. Okay, so you have to read about all the about the streaming, how the streaming will be work. Okay, so that I'm streaming here, then I'm cleaning everything. Then we have the vectorization. So I'm saying that every word have some weightage in the word. Okay, let's suppose Amazon have a weight, boat have a weight. So we are finding that we are removing the stop words. Okay, so vectorization is the one of the library in Python that is available. So you can go there and you can see that will be help you to remove these stop words like is, are, the, and these grammar words. Okay, so we are removing here with the vectorization method. Then we are applying the similarity. Okay, similarity. Why we are using similarity here? Because we are creating the recommendation system. In the recommendation system is work on the similarity. Okay, let's suppose you searching on the Amazon, you're looking for the iPhone or any Android phone. Okay, let's suppose you're looking for the Android phone, 64 GB RAM and 128 GB hard disk, means the data storage. Okay, so the if you're searching that, so they will be give you similar phone specification they will be recommend you. So that's the reason that similarity caution it will be work in the background. Okay, so that is a library that is available in the Python. So that I'm using here for the similarity. Okay, so this is the recommendation algorithm in the similarity. So this is not the simple one, because you can say I'm using a similarity. Similarity will be work everywhere. Okay, in the recommendation system. So it's basically recommendation algorithm what I'm showing here. So let's suppose we have some names. Okay, I'm showing the 10 simple name here of our products. Okay, then I'm checking the, sorry, I'm removing this one. Okay, this is my product name. I'm doing the filter with this product name only. Okay, so remember this one. So I also highlighted it from the here. Okay, I put it the right now. This is the manual one. I manually write it this name. In the future, I will create some input box here. You can input that name, and they will be give you a recommendation. Okay, so this is the manual one. So okay, remember this. You need to copy this. Okay, copy it and go down now. And then we have I created one function here for the similarity one. Okay, and okay, so then we have you can see here I search this one product and they giving it the gift sleek back cover iPhone 11. Okay, I'm searching for the iPhone 11 one product. Okay, the back cover only. So they given me the answer of related one. Okay, so this is all the work. Okay, now you can see here this one. This one is my product. Okay, so now you have to run this. So in the last one, that is line number 87. Okay, and you have to paste your product name here, and you need to click on the recommend. This is the one function I created. Okay, that we will show in our presentation where you're creating. Okay, then click on the recommend. Okay, you can see here they're showing us the image of that product. What do you looking for? We are looking for the back cover for the iPhone 11. So it's showing the back cover of the iPhone 11. So this is the recommendation system how we can use, and here they will be show the all the recommended product. It's